Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How to connect Namecheap domain to Base44. So there is a step-by-step guide and make sure you will have logged in. So right now this is my crypto wallet, and first of all we will just move in this dashboard option, and in the list of options we will just move in domain section, this tab. So simply it will says that want to use your domain. So if you want to use your custom domain are available on your builder plan, and above upgrade to connect your domain to this app. So first of all, we will just have to purchase the plan right over here, starter, builder, pro or elite. So first of all, you will just have to buy any of subscription for monthly. After we will move in the Namecheap account and make sure you will have created. And right now we will just move in domain list. So right now we will just type for domain name like shop.pk and just go for search. So here as you can see these are the results, and you will just also purchase this domain. After you will just have to copy it, and you will also have purchased this plan, and you will be able to add right over here your custom domain. So in this way you will just have to connect Namecheap domain to Base44. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.